Welcome back to another massive episode of English with Podcasts. I am Emma. I am so thrilled to see you here. Today, we are tackling a topic that makes many people nervous, especially when they are living or traveling in a new country.
And I am Leo. Hello, Emma. Hello to our global family. Today, we are going to the bank.
Oh, the bank. That can be a very scary place for English learners. There are so many specific words and formal rules.
Yes, withdraw, deposit, overdraft, interest. It feels like a different language inside a language. But don't worry because we have your back.
Today, we're going to walk through a huge variety of essential situations you will face at the bank. We're going to role play these together so you can hear exactly how a natural conversation sounds.
If you want to handle your money in English with 100% confidence, click the like button right now.
And please subscribe. Join our daily English family. We release these long-form episodes to give you the massive listening stamina you need to become fluent. Let's start with the first step. Imagine I am the customer, and Emma, you are the teller.
Hi, I'd like to open a new savings account, please.
Certainly. Do you have two forms of identification with you?
Yes, I have my passport and my residency permit.
Notice how Leo used "I'd like to." This is the magic phrase of banking. It is polite and professional. And Emma asked for ID. This is critical. In many countries, you cannot even walk into the back room without a passport or a driver's license.
Now, let's say I have a check from my boss.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'd like to deposit this check into my account, please.
Would you like to deposit the full amount or take some cash back?
I'd like to deposit the whole amount.
Deposit means to put money in. It is the opposite of withdraw. Notice the grammar. We deposit money into an account.
Sometimes the ATM is broken or you need very specific bills.
Hello there. What can I do for you?
I'd like to withdraw $500 from my checking account.
How would you like that money? In hundreds or 20s?
Could I have 4 hundreds and 5 20s, please?
Withdraw is a heavy word. Practice that th sound. Withdraw. It simply means to take out.
Pro tip: if you have a $100 bill, some small shops might not accept it. Always ask for 20s or 10s. This next one is the most common question. You need to know how much money is left.
Hi, how can I help you?
Could you tell me my current balance, please?
Certainly. Your current balance is $1,200.
Your balance is the total amount in your account right now.
Vocabulary alert. If the balance is zero or negative, we call that an overdraft. You want to avoid those because they come with big fees. I often need to move money from my daily spending account to my savings account.
What would you like to do today, Leo?
I need to transfer $500 from my savings to my checking account, please.
No problem. I can do that for you right now. Is there anything else?
Transfer is the verb for moving money between two places.
Grammar tip: use the pattern transfer amount from account A to account B. Now, Emma, imagine you're going on a vacation to Europe.
Hi, do you exchange foreign currency here? I need some euros.
Yes, we do. How many euros would you like to purchase?
I'd like to change $500. What is the current exchange rate?
Exchange rate. This is the value of one currency compared to another. It changes every single day.
Now, this next situation is the most stressful. You must act fast. Help! I've lost my debit card. Can you please freeze my account?
I'm sorry to hear that. I will cancel the card immediately and order a replacement. It will arrive in 5 business days.
Freeze means to stop all activity. It protects you from thieves.
Safety tip: always have your bank's emergency number saved in your phone contacts. Maybe you want to buy a car or start a business next.
I'm interested in applying for a personal loan. Who should I speak to?
I can schedule an appointment for you with our loan officer for Tuesday afternoon.
Applying for is a phrasal verb. You apply for a loan, a credit card, or a mortgage.
Interest rates. This is the fee you pay the bank for borrowing their money. What if you see a mystery charge on your phone app?
There is a transaction on my statement that I don't recognize. It's for a store I've never visited.
Let me look into that. Would you like to dispute this charge?
Yes, please. I did not authorize that payment.
Dispute means to argue that a charge is wrong. It is a very powerful word in banking. Finally, the end of the journey. Maybe you're moving to a new country.
I'd like to close my account and withdraw the remaining balance, please.
We're sorry to see you go. Please sign these papers to finalize the closure, and I will give you your remaining funds in cash.
Thank you for all the help over the years.
But wait, Emma, we haven't even talked about the ATM yet. Sometimes you don't even need to go inside the bank.
That's true. The ATM, or automated teller machine, is your best friend after hours.
Hi, Emma. I'm at the machine, but I'm confused. What does enter your PIN mean?
Oh, Leo, your PIN is your personal identification number. It's like a secret password for your card. Never share it with anyone.
Okay, and it asks if I want a receipt. Should I say yes?
Yes, always take the receipt. It helps you track your spending and proves that the transaction happened.
What about direct deposits? My new job asked for my routing number.
Your routing number identifies your specific bank. Your account number identifies you. You can find both at the bottom of a check.
Is a credit card the same as a debit card?
Great question. A debit card takes money directly from your bank account. A credit card is like a small loan. You spend the bank's money and pay it back later.
Financial tip. If you don't pay your credit card back on time, you have to pay interest. That can get very expensive.
Let's talk about bank statements. Every month, the bank sends you a document.
I just got my monthly statement in the mail. It shows my starting balance and my ending balance.
And it also shows any fees. Sometimes banks charge a maintenance fee just for keeping the account open.
That's not fair. Can I ask them to waive the fee?
You can. Use that phrase. Could you please waive this fee? Sometimes, if you are a good customer, they will say yes.
Let's practice a conversation about a wire transfer. This is for sending money to another person far away.
Hi, Leo. I need to send money to my sister in Australia. How do I do a wire transfer?
You'll need her SWIFT code or IBAN. Those are international codes for banks.
Is there a commission or a wire fee?
Yes, usually around $30. It's the fastest way to send money globally.
What about safe deposit boxes?
Those are small metal boxes inside the bank's vault. You can keep your jewelry or important papers there.
I'd like to rent a safe deposit box, please. What is the annual cost?
It depends on the size of the box, but it's a very secure way to protect your valuables.
Leo, have you ever used a cashier's check?
Yes, when I bought my car, the seller didn't want a personal check. They wanted a cashier's check because the bank guarantees the money.
To get one, you go to the teller and say, I'd like to request a cashier's check for $10,000, please.
We should also mention online banking. Almost everyone uses their phone now.
I love the bank's app. I can scan a check with my camera and deposit it without leaving my house.
That's called a mobile deposit. It's so convenient.
But be careful with phishing scams. If the bank emails you asking for your password, ignore it. The bank will never ask for your password via email.
Security tip. Set up two-factor authentication. That means the bank sends a code to your phone before you can log in.
Let's look at joint accounts. This is when two people, like a husband and wife, share one account.
We'd like to change my individual account into a joint account, please.
Both people will need to provide their ID and sign the new signature card.
What happens if I lose my checkbook?
You need to issue a stop payment order. This tells the bank not to pay anyone who tries to use those checks.
Is there a fee for that?
Usually, yes, but it's better than losing all your money.
Let's talk about mortgages. That's a very specific kind of loan for a house.
I'm ready to buy a home. I want to apply for a fixed-rate mortgage.
That means your interest rate will stay the same for 30 years. It's very stable.
Before I apply, I need to check my credit score. If my score is high, I get a better deal.
How do I improve my credit score?
Pay your bills on time and don't spend too much on your credit cards.
One last thing, Emma. What is a teller? We keep using that word.
A teller is the person who works behind the counter at the bank. In some countries, they are called bank clerks.
And the person who manages the whole building is the branch manager.
If you have a big problem that the teller cannot fix, you can say, "May I speak with the branch manager, please?"
Just realized we missed something very important, Emma. Traveler's checks. People don't use them much anymore, but they still exist.
That's true, Leo. There are like pre-printed checks for a fixed amount. If you have some, you just say, "I'd like to cash these traveler's checks, please."
What about a certificate of deposit or a CD?
A CD is a special savings account. You leave your money there for a fixed time, like 1 year, and the bank gives you a higher interest rate.
I'd like to invest in a 12-month CD, please.
Just remember, if you take the money out early, you have to pay a penalty.
Oh, another P word, principal.
Yes, the principal is the original amount of money you borrowed or invested. The interest is added on top of that.
Let's talk about beneficiaries. If something happens to me, who gets the money in my account?
You need to designate a beneficiary. It's a sad topic, but very important for your family's security.
I'd like to add a beneficiary to my account, please. What information do I need to provide?
Usually just their full name and their relationship to you. Emma, what if I'm a student? Are there special accounts? Yes, many banks offer student accounts. They usually have no monthly fees and lower minimum balance requirements.
I'm a full-time student at the university. Do you offer any student banking packages?
Always ask that. It can save you a lot of money every month.
And don't forget overdraft protection. This is a service where the bank links your savings to your checking so you don't bounce a check.
A bounced check is a check that the bank refuses to pay because there isn't enough money. It's very bad for your reputation.
To avoid that, I'd like to enroll in overdraft protection, please.
We have truly covered every corner of the bank today, from the vault to the app.
Remember, banking English is formal. Using please, thank you, and I'd like to makes the process much smoother. If you found this useful, tell us in the comments what is the most difficult word for you to pronounce in banking.
And if you made it to the end of this massive script, comment the word money so we know you are a dedicated student.
You are building your English wealth every day. Keep going.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.